The first law states that an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will continue in motion with the same speed and in the same direction, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This concept is also known as the law of inertia. A snowboarder gliding on ice will keep moving at a constant speed and direction until acted upon by an unbalanced force, like friction or an external force. In basketball, the external force is the player's hand, which exerts a force on the ball to make it bounce back up after it hits the ground.
In the case of a curling stone sliding on ice, the unbalanced force acting upon it is friction, which slows it down until it stops.
Second law of motion. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on the object and inversely proportional to its mass. This means that the greater the force applied to an object, the greater its acceleration will be, and the heavier the object, the slower its acceleration will be. A baseball player can hit the ball farther and harder by swinging the bat with a greater force, and by using a lighter bat, which reduces the mass of the bat ball system. When a quarterback throws a football, the force of the throw is proportional to the mass and acceleration of the ball. When a hockey player hits a puck with their stick, the force of the impact is proportional to the mass and acceleration of the puck. Third law of motion. The third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that if one object exerts a force on another object, the second object will exert an equal and opposite force back on the first object. When a skier pushes against the snow with their skis, the snow exerts an equal and opposite force back on the skier's skis, pushing the skier forward. When an ice track skater pushes their foot backwards on the ice exerts an equal and opposite force forwards on the skater's foot. In water flyboarding, the rider holds onto a hose that is connected to a watercraft, which provides the jet of water that lifts the board into the air.